Hello, children. Welcome back to learning new things. Let's begin. Now we will learn the sound of letter C. This is the uppercase letter C. This is the lowercase letter C. The sound of letter C is K. K as in cap. K, K, cap. K, K, cow. K, K, car. K, K, cat. Let's say that one more time and you all say it with me together. C is for cap. K, K, cap. K, K, cow. K, K, car. And K, K, cat. Very good. Let's listen to the story with the letter C. Cassandra has a cat. Yes, cat. The cat's name is Cassie. It is Cassie's birthday today. Cassandra loves to play with her cat. The cat likes to eat cake and candy. Let's wish Cassie the cat a very happy birthday. Happy birthday, Cassie. So children, let's do a quick recap of what we have learned today. Today we have learned the sound of letter C. What is the sound of letter C? The sound of letter C is K. 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 K, K, cat. K, K, cap. K, K, cow. K, K, candy. K, K, cake. K, K, camera. K, K, Cassie. Well done, children. Subscribe to our channel if you already haven't subscribed. Thank you for watching our video. Goodbye, children. See you soon.